So we have Bryant gas water boiler. At first look, I'm always looking for pressure relief valve. Once I find pressure relief valve, see if it's leaking. In this case it is. Then next thing I'm looking for is expansion tank, because pressure relief valve most likely is leaking because of expansion tank is either full of water or not operational. In this case, looks like they disconnected expansion tank, so that's not connected. Here's that plug, and then I'm looking for expansion tank if there is anywhere, but looks like they have not installed the expansion tank. So far, this boiler obviously is in very rough shape. The other thing, besides heavy soot, typically gas burners don't have that much soot. There is also this was burnt, so the rollout switch is bypassed, which is down here typically. It's actually missing. It's not even bypassed, it's just disconnected. That's not safe. First of all, expansion tank is missing and rollout switch is missing. So that's how it was. I don't see the old one here. What else we can say about this one? The exhaust pipe is in rough shape. But the chimney looks, even though there is soot, I don't see any build up. It needs to be cleaned out. It's already clean. Very rough shape. The whole purpose of this video is, when I saw expansion tank, when I saw pressure relief valve leaking and I couldn't locate the expansion tank, you always look for these two things. They are safety. Pressure relief is a safety, cannot be tampered, bypassed, plugged, or anything. And expansion tank is also necessary in order pressure relief to work properly. Very rough here. No low pressure, low voltage connectors, no wire nuts. Let's check the aquastat. Let's see, aquastat looks okay. Well, ground is not connected to the aquastat. That's another. This is basically almost falling off. Gotta be careful with this. Yep, jobs like this have to be very careful, because if you think that you fixed pressure relief valve and expansion tank, all of a sudden you have sensor bypass, missing, or aquastat in rough shape, and some little things like exhaust pipe, or can be leaking anywhere in the house. This boiler being off in wintertime, that caused pipes to burst, and this radiator got disconnected. This radiator is needed in this area because there is also a water heater and in the basement this gets pretty cold because it's drafty basement. See, the window has missing glass over there. Very rough shape, and we'll see what we can do about this. Thanks for watching.